Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel as well, guys. Yes, it's time to do a project, guys. If you're like me and you're stuck in a house and you're going a bit crazy about now because of this virus that's going on, so I'm going to show you how I made this vase. I'm going to show you beforehand, show you what I did to make this vase. I'm going to use some average household materials and show you how to do. Now, if you're like me and you're stuck sort of and your city has practically closed down, oh well, guys, I have some projects for you, especially with the parents who are kids are at home. Just make them help you with your DIY projects. They have plenty of time now in between school studies. All right, guys, so you see that I didn't get a chance to even do a haul for you guys because now all the stores here in Las Vegas is closed. The casino is closed. Everything just about is closed except for non-essential personnel. So we can't go to the store, we can't purchase, we can't buy, and you know Amazon is not shipping out unnecessary items. So go back into whatever you need to get done as far as your project and just start doing DIYs or painting. So that's what I'm going to do today in this video. Even though I started this earlier, I wanted to wait to show you because I wanted to get another ginger jar. So just to let you know, let me just show you real quickly. I got this ginger jar from the Goodwill, and normally, guys, I'm not into ginger jars because they remind me of urns. Yes, I said it, but you know, I got used to it, and I think, you know, if you can decorate it real well, really beautiful and glam, you know, it just basically is a vase with a lid, but sometimes they can be a little earnest. So this one here I got from the Goodwill a couple weeks ago, and it's actually this color here. So I turned around so it can be just white along with this green, and I am not a green person at all, but when I put it here, I'm like, you know what, this is not half bad. So I had to get used to it. So I wasn't crazy about the blue with it, not bad though. So basically I just turned it around. I didn't want to paint it, and I originally was going to paint this, but I'm like, oh no, you know, I got used to it. So here's the lid down here, and I still kept my little glam because I like to still bling it out with just one little touch of bling. Okay, you already see my battery review on these candles, guys. I'm telling you, saving me a lot of money. Even though you may not want to spend the money initially, do the math. When you get these batteries, and I'll show you the price of batteries after the end of the month, add up how much you're spending for batteries between Christmas and now. Had to be close to $50. Okay, where all of these batteries and the charger was like $10 and some change for one of the chargers. Come on, guys, really? That's a pack of Duracell batteries right there. Okay, now this white beautiful chain fence sort of, it looks like a chain fence white ginger jar. I got that from Home Goods about a week ago, and that was $24.99. I thought that was beautiful. They had some really gorgeous ones there. I want to show you real quick that were more in the 50 and 60 range, but it was really nice. But I decided just on this one because I figured with this size ginger jar, it would blend in with the DIY I did of this one from the Goodwill and this one from the Goodwill. Both of them only cost about $3.99 with 20% off. And I'm going to show you the before and how I use a common item to do this vase. You know, and we can't get to the store, so I can't get supplies. No excuse, ladies, no excuse. I'm going to show you what I use to paint this vase, and you're not going to believe it, okay? And it was something that you have in your kitchen right now. All right, guys, let's get started on this paint project, and also how I'm going to show you how I did a little bling wrap, little extra wrap, and then also how I sprayed this, because this is more of a texture, this is more shiny, and I wanted the bling here to separate the two. So let's get started on this paint project. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl. Okay, but the first thing you know we have to do is to prime this jar. You see that it has a shiny surface, so we have to prime this so the paint can adhere. I'm going to do the lid first and then come back and prime the jar. After the first coat's dry, I'm going to go back for another coat of this primer. And the next thing you see, I'm using a common sponge One I got from the Dollar Tree, guys. Yes, as a matter of fact, it wasn't even brand new. It was an old sponge that I got finished cleaning with. All right, I cut the inside off of it because I wanted to be kind of uneven and jagged. I didn't want the smooth side because I wanted to show extra texture onto my project. The only other item I'll be using is this champagne gold paint I got from Michael's. It's from Pack Smart. That's all it is, guys. Just paint and a sponge. When I do my paint project, I'm just dabbing a little bit on the plastic I have here and just taking a small amount on the sponge. I don't want too much paint on the sponge, so here it is. I'm dabbing it off almost like a dry brush technique, okay, because I want to slowly build up the paint to the ginger jar. After the third coating of doing the ginger jar, it depends on what you like. If you want 2 to 3 coatings, I wanted 3 coatings. I didn't really want to see the white coming through, but I did want to see the texture. So when I got to the top of the ginger jar, I didn't want that texture. I wanted a kind of a shiny metallic look. So I tested out 2 spray paints. I got both of them from Michael's. One is sort of like an orangey gold and one is a metallic. I prefer to have the Krylon foil metallic gold. I decided to use that one because I thought it would match the ginger jar a little better. In order to protect the lid of the jar, I just did like this little slit from the plastic and just sprayed it on tight. And then when it was halfway dry, I just took the cover off of it. I just cut the plastic off, as you can see. Now to connect the two, I figured let me just, since what was shiny, what sort of texture, I figured I'll do like a little bling wrap just to sort of give it a finished touch and a little pop of bling. So guys, that is it. That is like a DIY project, guys. We're sitting home. We might as well just come up with a project to do. So again, thanks for watching this video and let me know what you think. I know it's not as gorgeous as the other ginger jars, but you know what? It was a $3 jar and I wasn't going to use the color that it was. So this is my version of how I wanted to repaint using a common household sponge. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl, and thanks for watching.